Hey everybody, this is a tutorial to help you take some old shoes to a planter that's good both outside and inside. It's very easy for beginners and it will be fun. To start, you'll need some cement, water, mixing bowl, something to mix with, shoes, and a brush. I'll list all the products below. Okay, so to start, I found a pair of shoes that are kind of old, ripped. No, I'm not going to donate them or anything. I'm going to turn them into planter instead and enjoy them in my garden. So what you need, you're going to need your cement. You're going to need a bowl for mixing, and I use an old spoon for mixing, but you could use whatever you want. My bowl is dirty, sorry. And if you want some pigments added. I'm going to add a list of supplies that I've used. You just want to start with some water. And add cement in there slowly so you don't over add and keep adding water. Okay, I'm just going to move this to the side so you can see and bring the shoes closer. I'm using this one-time use brush. The bristles are not super soft, but kind of medium. Found it on Amazon. What I'm going to do is dip in my brush and start brushing it off. And I do this just so that it doesn't move around in the wind. Just gives it a little bit of weight. So I checked on the shoe today and it's all dry. I've gone ahead and planted a succulent in this one. And can go sit in your garden, outside, inside, whatever you want. It's very cute and a good way to keep a keepsake if you want to keep the kids' shoes. Or something old that you're throwing out anyways. Enjoy, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment or feel free to email me.